Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. A little warm, a little muggy to get started. I think this afternoon is going to get warmer and more muggy. Those temperatures likely going to climb into the mid 80s and upper 80s in many spots. And then again tonight, we're going to see those temperatures stay way up as we continue to increase the moisture. As long as we continue to have a few clouds around the area, we've got a pretty good chance to see those overnight temperatures stay way up into the 60s. So it's going to have a more of a summer look and feel, just like it started to have in lots of places yesterday. I do see some showers out to the west, even down along the Gulf Coast. But I think a lot of that's going to get gobbled up before it ever gets here. There are some more significant showers way off to the north once you get up towards the Midwest, but all that's staying way off to the north. Our current conditions are going to be a lot of low to mid 60s this morning. Not much of a breeze and plenty of moisture, so we're going to be on the lookout for some patchy fog. It's 61 right now in Thomasville. It's 63 in Tallahassee. It's 64 in Valdosta. A few more numbers. How about a 67 at Apalachicola? A little cooler in Blakely or Tifton where it's 59. And check out Perry at 66 this morning. There isn't much of a breeze. If there is a breeze, it'll be more from the south throughout the day today, but I don't think we're going to call today breezy. So you put all that moisture out there, you don't have much of a breeze to stir things up, and you got a real good chance to find some spots where the fog gets a bit thick. In Moultrie, our visibility is down to 2.5 miles. In Perry, it's just 1/4 mile. At Apalachicola, it's 3/4 of a mile. And we're likely going to find several areas where that fog gets kind of thick this morning. Always low beam headlights in those areas of fog, and be careful out there. You know the vermin are going to be lurking. Now, the bigger showers and storms to our north are stuck way up there. This next boundary is going to have a tough time making progress into the southeast until maybe like Sunday or Monday. So that's when we start to look for some changes. From now until then, things are just getting warm and a little bit more humid, with a big wall of high pressure really anchored to our south and to our east, preventing any new energy from getting here over the next couple of days. So I think by the time we get to Sunday and Monday, maybe we talk about a couple of shower opportunities, and maybe we talk about things cooling back down to more seasonable levels. It's not supposed to be this warm, this humid, this early. It's still the middle of April. We're supposed to have highs that, just get up over 80 and lows that make it into the mid 50s. Instead, we're going to see temperatures at 80 at lunchtime and overnight temperatures that likely stay someplace up over 60. Now, we see on the futurecast any real chances for showers way off to the north and way out to the west. Maybe over the weekend, a random sprinkle or two possible like Saturday or during the day Sunday, but we'll have to watch and see what kind of progress this boundary makes Sunday into Monday. That seems like our next real chance for some showers, and even that, it's a small chance right now. So we'll see how things evolve over the next 3 or 4 days while things stay dry, just end up warm and muggy. On the Gulf today, winds out of the east first, south later 5 to 15 and seas 1 to 3 feet. So not bad for the boaters. We're talking 60s with some patchy fog this morning. Sun will be up at 7:06. I think this afternoon most of us got a pretty good chance to get to like 86, 87, 88. So getting awfully warm out there, especially for mid-April standards. So warm and muggy, and that continues into the overnight. I see more patchy fog in the forecast, and most of us staying in the 60s to wake up on our Friday morning. Here comes that 7-day forecast. You know I don't like to put a 90 as a forecast high on the map until we get a 90. Well, we haven't had a 90 yet, so I'm not going to put one up there. But if I had to change this map at some point between now and Saturday, I may have to, because it's going to get a little toasty these next 2 or 3 days. For the time being, let's go with 89 as the high Friday and Saturday, and hope that it stays like that. I do see a little cooler as we get to the beginning of next week, just a little bit. It'll still feel very nice and very spring-like, but these next 2 or 3 days are definitely feeling more summer-like.